Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are fine. Are you practicing the previous lessons which I taught? Yes or no? No, then start practice. Only watching videos will not make you learn typing, okay? The only thing is all about practicing the lessons, okay? So yes, reminder, note not to wear watches, okay? Remove it while typing, and these bangles also. It's a reminder for you guys. So I had already taught you 3 lessons about the basic typing, okay? So I'm going to give you a quick recall about all the 3 lessons which I have already uploaded, okay? So our very first lesson was that A S D F space semicolon L K J space A S D F space semicolon L K J space A S D F space semicolon L K J space A S D F space semicolon L K J space. This was our very first lesson of the course, okay? And the basic. Yes, reminder. Let me remind you, this is the home row. You know, if you don't know, let's know now. This is the home row, this is the upper row, this is the lower row or bottom row, okay? Always fix your hand on this row, home row, okay? Make the posture of your hand in this way, upper than the self. Do not put your hand like this in the self, okay? This is the repelling position, crawling position, and this is the jumping position, okay? Jumping will be the faster. So that was our first lesson. A S T F space semicolon L K J. A S T F space semicolon L K J. A S T F space semicolon L K J. Okay, here we go. Lesson first. This is our first lesson. A S D F space semicolon L K J. Okay, our very first lesson. So yes, this was the first lesson, and here we go with the second lesson. Okay, A S D F G space semicolon L K J H space A S D F G space semicolon L K J H space A S T F space semicolon L K J H space. Okay, if your hand start paining, so don't keep typing, okay? Relax for a few minutes, track your fingers, then restart, okay? Relax your hands. So this was the second lesson, and let's move to the third lesson. A S T F G F space semicolon L K J H J A S D F G F space semicolon L K J H J. Don't move your hand like, okay? I'm just moving my hand to show you in a better way, okay? A S D F G F space semicolon L K J H J A S D F G F space semicolon L K J H. Okay, that was all about the previous lessons which I already taught. Now our lesson second, okay, the word practice. Okay, this was our lessons, okay, and we have to practice now on the words based on our earlier 3 lessons, okay? So read here what is written here. Type 3 lines of each word, means typing each word in 3 lines. Okay, so I am going to help you how to type. So let's start. Our very first word is all, so we have to continue typing 3 rows. All, A L A double L A double L A double L A L L A L L A L L. Yes, not use backspace. Okay, it's my mistake, sorry. You guys not have to use backspace while in the lesson period. Okay, so it's all about practicing, and it's the learning period. You don't need to use backspace in the learning period. Later on I will share with you when to use backspace, but now no need of this backspace key. So now is A L L, all, A double L A double L. Keep typing. If it gets faster, no problem. If your hand start paining, so just relax and then restart. Okay. Yes, the students who are preparing for SSC CHSL 2023 and have filled up the form, okay, and you don't have so much time, so it can't be okay with practicing of 1 hour and 2 hours. You have to increase your practicing time. Okay, understood? Are you getting? In 1 hour 2 hours you cannot crack the typing test. Okay, you have to do at least 4 or 5 hours a day. Understood? More you type, more it will be more perfect. Okay, practice makes the perfection, you know very well. So this is the way how you have to type. Okay, so students of CHSL, are you practicing hard? If not, then start. And all those who are just learning typing for a skill, yes, you can do slowly and not to push yourself. Just wait lesson by lesson as I go on. So keep practicing. At least practice 1 lesson minimum 3 days. Okay, minimum 3 days till my next video. And we will go as A S. Yes, not to keep your posture like this, not just that's how I did now. Okay, your hand must be in the same posture, not to lose your posture. Okay, yes, if you have any problem, if you face any problem by practicing and typing these words, yes, let me know in the comment section. And you can also contact us. Our contact number is already mentioned in the channel. Okay, so if you have any problem, then you can contact us, and also you can comment. So you can also comment. So keep practicing and have discipline in your typing practice. Okay, and only practice can increase your typing speed. Not to worry about your typing speed, it will come the practice. So that's all for today. Keep practicing, stay pure. Yes, one more thing, I have to give you homework. So what you have to do is that start from all, type 3 lines each word. Okay, 3 lines each word, and go as further you can go. Okay, as far you can go. If you can complete this, then it's very good. So if you cannot complete within 1 hour this, after okay, 3 lines each word, if you can complete this all these word within 1 hour, 3 lines each word, then it's very good for you. If not, no, it's not a serious issue, it's very normal. So you have to do that. You have to practice more. Okay, so if we complete till here, Then start typing just one times each. All, as, ask, add, has, had, sat, let, cat, less, cast, glass, jag, fed, dad, dalda, fall, glad, flax, halda, dash, flask, lack, flask. Okay. Yes. Let me show how to do if you complete within 1 hour. Okay. 3 lines each word. In this very way. All, as, ask, had, has, had, sat, lad, kat, las, gas, glas, jak, fad, tad, fl. Okay, this very way. Have a look at this. You have to tap by this. If you complete from all to flask 3 lines each word, then you have to do only one thing, that keep practicing in this one line, each word's one line, one time. Okay, that's all for today. Keep practice, stay pure, stay healthy.